in, which leads me into another question, of course, I have is how do you view the COVID-19 pandemic affecting conversational AI or the voice industry, and what outcomes do you think there'll be with this technology in the post-pandemic world?
First of all, it needs to be said very clearly, this is a tragedy and a frightening time.
Right.
And
Yes.
so, I've heard people say there are silver linings in this. The deaths of thousands, there are no silver linings in that.
Correct.
There are, however, Nick, and I think that, you know, reading Professor Scott Galloway's blog, and I think he expressed it very well, this will accelerate trends already in motion. If it was moving at 2x, it's going to be moving now at 6x or 8x.
Yes.
And it will advance into a next chapter much more rapidly and with greater impact. So not only will it go faster, it'll get larger. And remote communication and connection, of which voice assistance is a huge part, is going to be a beneficiary of that. I firmly believe, and I'm beginning to see some data as well as anecdotes that that is indeed the case. You
Hmm.
see it, Terry Fisher's recent webcast about, how voice is being used amidst the pandemic, blogs from China coming in, how it's being used in the pandemic to connect, to communicate, to share information, to diagnose. None of that would have been thought of 4 months ago.
No,
Back
not
in
at all.
December, it wasn't even on anyone's list, Nick, right?
Nope.
All forced and accelerated ahead. So now we have new paradigms, new models and it's not how voice is being used, it's new models of how humans connect and connect effectively and
Yes.
efficiently. And voice is at the center of that. It'll be one of the tools.